Hi everyone. Today, I want to share my daily routine with you. This is what a typical day looks like for me. Let's get started. I wake up every day at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch a little in bed to wake up my body. Then, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I head to the kitchen for breakfast. I usually eat toast with jam and drink a cup of tea. Breakfast is very important because it gives me energy for the day. Once I finish breakfast, I take a shower and get dressed. I like to wear comfortable clothes because I want to feel good throughout the day. After getting ready, I usually start my work or studies around 9 a.m. I like to check my emails and make a to-do list for the day. This helps me stay organized. At noon, I take a break for lunch. I usually eat rice and vegetables, which is healthy and delicious. After lunch, I take a short walk outside to get some fresh air. It helps me feel refreshed. In the afternoon, I continue my work or studies. Sometimes I have meetings or classes, which can be fun and interesting. When the workday is over, around 5 p.m., I like to relax. I sometimes watch a little TV or read a book. It helps me unwind after a busy day. For dinner, I usually eat with my family. We like to talk about our day and share stories. After dinner, I help clean up the kitchen. Before going to bed, I like to do something fun, like drawing or playing a game. Finally, I prepare for bed around 10 p.m. I brush my teeth again and read a little before sleeping. And that's my daily routine. It's simple, but it keeps me happy and healthy. Thanks for listening to my daily routine. What does your daily routine look like? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.